Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. Look, are you trying to start your own business right now because of the economy? Well, if so, I'm going to tell you the 3 types of businesses that are the fastest to start, okay? And in terms of which credit cards you should start out your business with using anyway. All right, now, here's the thing about it. If you are working a job, I would definitely tell you, do not quit your job. Now, the reason that you don't want to quit your job, because you can use that income to help grow your business. All right, it's very important that you have extra money aside so that you're able to pay your bills and stuff while you continue to grow your business. Now, the businesses that I'm going to suggest to you, these are businesses more likely you can make money on a daily or weekly basis, okay? Now, the first type of business you want to look at is delivery service business. Now, you can be doing DoorDash, you can be doing Instacart. If you have a truck, you can do Curry, you can do Roadie. So you have different businesses that you can actually start that will pay you on a daily or weekly basis. You need money fast, especially if you're trying to grow it, all right? Now, the second business is affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, because you don't have to create a product, all right, all you have to do is just tell other people about the product, and when they purchase, you get a commission. That's the second type of business, and they got companies out there that pay you on a daily or weekly basis for that. Now, the third type of business that you want to take a look at is reselling products. So you may want to be reselling products on Amazon, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. You may be able to go to different garage sales where people aren't able to sell stuff, and you say, hey, if you don't want this stuff going back in your garage, you can give it to me, and you resell that stuff on those marketplaces. I'll tell you another place you may want to consider getting stuff wholesale up front without taking money out of your pocket, and that's Granger. Granger offers wholesale products as well. So you can take those products, make a demonstration video on YouTube, upload it, and then people that are interested in that product, they can go through your Amazon link. Make sure you have an affiliate Amazon link. And if they buy anything else through Amazon, you get commissions on that as well. Those are probably the top 3 fastest ways for you to make money when you're starting your business. Now, here's something else with step number 2 that you have to understand. Setting up the business structure. The reason that you want to do this through a business structure is so that you'll be able to get access to more funding to grow your business, okay? Say that you want to try to get into real estate or day trading and stuff like that. So you're going to need capital for that, but the best way to do it, choosing one of those businesses and having the money paid to your business structure, then that's going to make it much easier. One is going to minimize your taxes, and you'll be able to keep more money in your pocket, because if you have the wrong structure and you have a job, and with the income coming in from the business, it's going to send up your adjusted gross income, and so you'll end up paying more taxes. But choosing the right business structure, you'll end up paying less taxes, okay? And if you have questions on how to properly do that, you can click the link in the description and schedule a one-on-one consultation. Now, that being said, once you choose the proper structure of the business, then you want to open up the right type of bank account. This is so important, and again, a lot of people miss this step because they figure, well, I got this company set up, let me go down the street to my community bank, or I'm a member of Navy Federal Credit Union, they offer business bank account. The problem with those, and I've said it over and over again, and you'll continue hearing me say it, is that with community banks and credit unions, because they don't report to the business credit bureaus, okay? So then all those transactions you making from these fast money businesses and stuff is not actually being reported to the business credit bureau, so then it doesn't help grow your business credit funding. All right, you'll be able to get funding with them, but in terms of trying to have documents that actually would show that, hey, this company is really generating revenue, it's not going to show up. So that's the reason that you want to have these other type of banks. And the other type of banks I'm talking about, you want to have a bank account with Chase, okay? So with Chase, they report to Business, Equifax Business, Small Business Financial Exchange, and shared with Dun and Bradstreet. Or you want to have it with Capital One. Capital One, because their business bank accounts shared with Dun and Bradstreet, Small Business Financial Exchange, Experian Business, Business. Then you have Citibank, and Citibank reports to Business, Dun and Bradstreet, Small Business Exchange. All right, so yes, you do have American Express. American Express reports to Small Business Financial Exchange, U.S. Bank, Small Business Financial Exchange, and Dun and Bradstreet is shared with. You have PNC Bank, Small Business Financial Exchange, and shared with Dun and Bradstreet. But the thing about it, you have to make sure you have one of these financial institutions, all right? Those first three I named, I would definitely have one with them because they report to more of the business credit bureaus, all right? Now, that being said, the next thing you want to do is make sure you're doing small weekly or daily deposits. The minimum, I would say, is about $25, all right? So if you're able to deposit at least $25 a day, great. Now, here's another thing that I want you all to do when you open up your business bank account. Go ahead and also open up an account with PayPal. Open up a business account with PayPal. So that way, all the money you're getting paid daily or weekly, you want that money transferred over to your PayPal business account. Now, by you doing that, what it's going to do is going to create a relationship with PayPal, so you'll be able to qualify for business credit cards with PayPal as well as business loans with PayPal. Okay? Now, that money from PayPal transferred over to one of the major business bank accounts. Also, that documentation you'll be able to use with other alternative lenders to help raise capital as well. So you're creating this paper trail where you'll be able to get multiple amounts of funding from different institutions instead of just one financial institution that you have to rely on, because you'll be able to apply for funding even if you have bad credit. All right? Now, the next thing you want to do, get a business credit card. Now, the number one business credit card I tell you to get, especially if you have bad credit, you want to try to go after the Capital One Spark Business Credit Card, the Gold Card, okay? Because all you need is a 580 credit score for that, all right? Now, the reason that you want to try to get that card, because on average, most people I've seen, they get anywhere from 1,000. If they have bad credit, they still get anywhere from 1,000, maybe up to 3,000. Okay? Now, here's the interesting thing about it. With that card, what you're going to do is certain net 30s that I always tell people to get. Okay? And the reason you want these net 30s is because they're going to help build a foundation so that you have a stronger platform to be able to get business funding. This has nothing to do with a Dun and Bradstreet number, a Paydex score, net 30. It has nothing to do with that. These net 30s, they are mainly focused to build a foundation of your company so that you'll be able to get more funding. All right. So those net 30s you wanted to go out and get is NAV, and I'll put a link down in the description to help you. NAV, because they report to Experian, Equifax, Dun and Bradstreet. Then you have eCredible. eCredible reports to Dun and Bradstreet, Credit Safe, Equifax, and Sonia. Then you have SNS, that's Strategic Network System. They report to Experian. All right. Then you have JJ Gold. Now with JJ Gold, they report to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian. All right. Now you have 4 of those accounts. You can also throw in there Wise Business Plan, because they report to Equifax and Dun and Bradstreet as well. So you may not need a business plan, but they definitely offer those services to help with business credit as well. Now, the next card you want to get is, now TIFL is a secured card, right? But again, once you start using this, reporting to the business credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax. Sorry about that. My rabbit wants attention. Experian, Equifax, Dun and Bradstreet. All right, ground. Okay, that's the playground that you want to start with, especially if you have bad credit and you're trying to figure out what's the best business to start and how to get the fastest amount of money. This here video will walk you through that. This is the video. If you pay attention, if you need to schedule one-on-one consultation, for more information, click the link in the description. If you need help with business credit funding, if you need help with personal credit funding, if you need help with removing negative items off of your personal credit and need consultation about it, then click the link in the description. Schedule one-on-one consultation. Thank you.